guys, so today's video is gonna be my BOXYCHARM unboxing. And it's not gonna be a first impressions because I literally filmed this video yesterday. My mic was off the whole time. The whole time, all you got was this. And I was so upset. I loved how my makeup came out. I really enjoyed filming the video yesterday, but it's fine because we are going to film it for a second time and I'm just gonna do my makeup the exact same way. So here we go. Also, guys, I know, where have I been? Where are your videos? What's going on? My life is a mess. And I know I've been singing the same song here for a really long time, but I've got some mental health issues and I take a Chandler Bing approach to everything in life where I just make jokes about everything, but in reality, I'm just not doing so hot. So yeah, that's kind of what's been going on. Plus, having LACQUER just takes up so much of my time, but I do really love filming videos. I want to be okay so that I could do them more often. Anyway, I really do enjoy filming BOXYCHARM videos because it's just so laid back, carefree. We chat about nothing and we try out some new makeup, and based off of my first impressions from yesterday, we got some really good stuff in the box this month. I'm very excited, so I'm just gonna dive right in. Again, so you got your little card, it says Dare to Dazzle, and you know. And the first product in the box is actually a skincare item, but I didn't try this on camera yesterday since I've tried it in the past and it didn't really work for my skin type. I have very dry skin, and this is the Glamglow Supercleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. This is oil fighting, mattifying, clarifying, a really good face wash if you have oily skin. I used to hear people rave about this all the time, and so I think I bought it once in like a Sephora haul a while ago, but it was a little bit too stripping for my already stripped skin. Like, I don't need to fight any oils, believe me. I'm trying to get oils, so no need to fight off what's not there, you know? But I am gonna give this to my friend who has really oily skin. I think she might like it, so you know, it always gets put to good use. Oh my god, if you hear a crazy noise where it sounds like a mouse is screaming for his life, that's my dryer. My dryer is super broken and it makes a crazy noise. I keep getting scared that it's like going to explode. I hate myself for saying that out loud. I knew better than to do that. My dryer's not gonna explode, right guys? Comment down below, my dryer's not gonna explode. So the next product in the box is a hydrating primer. This is the Jecca Blac, I hope I'm saying that right. Hydrate primer, it's supposed to moisturize the skin but also make your makeup last a super long time. And actually, now that I actually used this once, my skin looked really good. I mean, I filmed that video really late last night, so I only had my makeup on for like 4 hours after that, but my foundation was still on. Like, my skin looked really good. This is what the packaging looks like, by the way. Very simple. It is kind of like what primer does this remind me of? It's kind of like a mild version of the Embryolisse primer, that cream. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know, I like it. It feels kind of thick, but not in a greasy way or anything like that. It just does feel really hydrating. These are my favorite kind of primers, honestly, so I got really excited to see that in the box. Okay, so pretty much the rest of the products in the box come after, like, my foundation, my bronzer, my blush, all of that. So I am really quickly gonna go ahead and do my makeup, but there is an overnight lip mask in the box. That's when I opened it yesterday. And I should have tried it overnight, but I didn't. But I am gonna pop it on really quick while I'm doing the rest of my makeup. So it says it gives your lips that extra smoochable edge. It is a miracle worker that will resurface your lips, boost and hydrate them, leaving them super soft and supple and delicious. I actually really did enjoy the way that this smelled. It's like a very light scent, super mild, but I do like it. Like, it's very soft. That's nothing that's gonna like linger too much, but it kind of reminds me of like a coconut scent. Well, there is coconut oil in this product, so I think that's what I smell, yeah. It's very natural, very light. I really like it. You know what I've also been really freaking loving? This Physicians Formula Butter Believe It foundation and concealer. This has incredible coverage and I really love it with a damp sponge. This is one from Morphe, but this color is a little bit too deep for me, like it's too yellow toned, but I just love the finish so much. It does sink into my smile lines a little bit, but I mean, I got lines. You know, I really gotta start getting over that one day. I'm just getting older. But honestly, this sits on the skin so nicely. The coverage is beautiful. The only thing is I'm sure the color selection is freaking garbage because, no offense, Physicians Formula, but you are like ridiculous when it comes to your shades. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't seen the shade selection with this foundation specifically, but just based off of like their foundations in the past, they need to get way better with their color selection. It's kind of really sad. Like they need to do better. And honestly, I hope they have. I hope there's a good range with this foundation because the formula is so stunning. I love it. But anyway, really quickly, I'm going to pop on this foundation. I'm gonna put on my concealer, my Il Makiage Fuck I'm Flawless concealer. You already know. My Ilia bronzer. And then I'm gonna apply some of this Cheeky Threesome blush palette from Kimchi Cosmetics. I love this little name, it's so cute. I love that all their packaging reminds me of the 90s, like it's so freaking adorable. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, add a little bit of eyeshadow and mascara, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and there are only 2 more products left in the box, and I really love this one. I love both of them, but this one really knocked my socks off yesterday. So this is from the brand Touch in Sol. I really like Touch in Sol products. I've only tried a couple of them, but I do like their brand, and this is their Glowdient makeup palette, which it's like a gradient, but it's a highlight palette, so it's like a Glowdient. You know, very beautiful, very beautiful. And honestly, it kind of shocked me, kind of blew me away a little bit because at first I was like, oh, this is gonna be very metallic, kind of glittery and chunky on the skin, but it really wasn't. It just makes your skin look wet. It's so beautiful. I really like it. Like, whoa. Might have gone overboard there. And I love that you get a bunch of different shades. Like I added more of a golden one there. So pretty. I really like this palette, and if you don't use any of the other shades, okay, went overboard on this side too. It's very intense, keep that in mind. But it doesn't look like chunky or anything. It's really pretty. And if you don't use all the shades, you can just use the other colors as eyeshadows. You know? Very pretty, very pretty. By the way, this lip mask, I know it's an overnight lip mask, but it makes my lips feel really nice. Okay, so the last thing in the box is actually a NARS Velvet Lip Pencil that I already own. So I'm gonna be giving this one to my friend. This is their Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Dolce Vita, which is one of like their very popular shades, I think. It's a stunning freaking color. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love how these feel. They're very smooth. They're matte, but they're not drying at all. So it's nice to see it in the box. And really quickly, I'm gonna pop on my Makeup Forever Aqua Lip Liner in 14C because mama needs to overdraw her lips a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna go over it with the Dolce Vita pencil. Very similar to this lip liner, only it's not as pink. It's a little bit more like rosy, more warm. It's definitely similar, but much warmer. But it looks so good with this lip liner. I seriously love that shade. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I really like my makeup today. I just love how this lip color looks with my makeup. It's such a nice lip color. And I mentioned this yesterday, but I don't really wear shades like this anymore. I'm either a nude gal or a brown gal or like an orange gal, you know? I rarely wear like rosy tones like this anymore, but I feel like I should more often, right? But anyway, I enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it with you guys. Let me know what you got in your BOXYCHARM this month. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Did we get the same things? Oh, I need to add everything together again. Okay, so the value of the box is over, well, no, it's $132, which is amazing and expensive. And I really enjoyed the box this month. The only product I wasn't crazy about is the cleanser, just because I have really dry skin. But I really liked everything else. Even the Hydrate primer feels really nice on the skin. I don't know, I really liked this month. Let me know your thoughts down below though. I'd love to read your comments. But that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.